Wildlife mirrors a world in which it encourages wild animals to consume other wild animals for survival. Today we focus our attention on fish food ingredients. A few months ago I did a video with Raliegh and Rob from ROB93 Aquatics. Both videos were done separately. We focused our attention on fish food and the advantages of cultured fish food versus manufactured fish food. These videos were insightful and informative. Today I drag your attention again to this same topic. This time I focus on the ingredients of manufactured fish food. All fish species requires amino acid and fatty acid to grow healthy and strong. Although some persons may use the same food to feed their carnivore diet fish and their herbivore diet fish, a difference should be maintained for both. Carnivore fish species requires more energy than herbivore species. High energy-based fish food allows carnivores to hunt and mate successfully. High protein-based fish food are most expensive to produce than those produced for vegetarian type of fish species. As a result of competition amongst companies to produce manufactured fish food, protein extract from plants are now being used to make manufactured fish food, than animal-based protein. I discover by way of research that, regarding carnivore fish species food, 1. This practice affects your carnivore fish species. Remember, carnivore fish species fish do not naturally feed on plants. 2. Plant proteins tend to have anti-nutritional effect on your aquarium fish species. 3. If you keep fish with the intention of eating it, example, a fish farm, the food fed to your fish can affect the texture of the eating quality. 4. Several plant protein are created with the use of genetically modified base/additives. This is not good. While it may be considered okay to use marine plants to make fish food for carnivore fish species, one should be very cautious. Have you ever wondered about the color of your fish food? Well, I discovered that astaxanthin, the truest form of the microalgae and what fish eat, help to provide nutrients for fish in the wild. This is also gained from crustaceans and fatty fish, e.g. salmons who feed on crustaceans. Humans also benefit from the chemical. That's another story. According to readings, astaxanthin is a very powerful, naturally occurring carotenoid pigment that's found in certain marine plants and animals. Often called the king of the carotenoids, astaxanthin is recognized as being one of the most powerful antioxidants found in nature. It is of particular significance, because unlike some other types of antioxidants, astaxanthin never becomes a prooxidant in the body, so it can never cause harmful oxidation. One of the reasons why your fish may die if you are adamant that you will not use manufactured food is the fact that you have failed to allow your fish stock to receive astaxanthin, which significantly reduces the oxidative load in the body by protecting the cells against oxidation. It is also responsible for effectively breaking peroxide chain reactions. This chemical benefits the fish eyes, skin, and the fish immune system. So far, the only effects of this to your fish is that it may aid in the change of fish color and in some changes the fish poop color. It should be noted that most if not all fish food contains a filler. This filler could be wheat or soya, etc. In addition to the fillers, these food contains fish cuttings ground into powder along with discarded culled fish from very large fish farms. Before I leave, I should warn you that fish foods are tailored to specific fish. Fish food aid in the health of your pet fish. Feed your fish human food will just decrease the lifespan of your fish. Humans uses a lot of refined sugar and other chemical-based items in their meals. The ingredients in human food are usually unhealthy for your fish. Important note, some cultured fish food will affect the health of your fish too. Some fish cannot digest white worms, some cannot hunt for food as others. In the wild they feast on algae. Be attentive when purchasing your fish food. Research as always. Thanks for watching. Raliegh here.